Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Tuesday, the 3rd of March 2026. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Fake tech support spam campaigns are being used to trick victims into installing malware by posing as urgent technical assistance. Attackers rely on social engineering to convince users to follow instructions that ultimately deploy malicious software. The operation shows how simple scams can evolve into effective malware delivery methods. Researchers warn that user awareness remains critical to preventing these attacks. The Silver Dragon campaign is targeting organizations in Southeast Asia and Europe with espionage-focused cyber attacks. The attackers aim to maintain long-term access while quietly collecting sensitive information. Their methods include stealthy persistence techniques and customized tools. The campaign reflects the growing sophistication of targeted cyber-espionage operations. The Starkiller Phishing framework allows attackers to capture login credentials and authentication tokens in real time. By acting as a live proxy for legitimate websites, it can bypass multi-factor authentication protections. The framework lowers the barrier for launching advanced phishing attacks. Researchers warn that these tools make credential theft more accessible to cybercriminals. Security experts warn that modern cyber attacks can rapidly expand after the initial breach. A single compromised system can allow attackers to move across networks and impact millions of users. Stolen credentials are often used to remain undetected for long periods. Early detection is considered critical to limiting large-scale damage. The campaign targeting Oracle e-Business Suite systems has exposed sensitive data linked to major organizations, including Madison Square Garden. Attackers exploited vulnerabilities to gain access and extract confidential information. The incident highlights the risks facing enterprise platforms that remain unpatched. Organizations are being urged to review and secure their systems. Hackers are increasingly using Telegram to gain initial access to targeted systems. The platform is used to distribute malicious files and coordinate attacks while blending into normal communication. This approach helps attackers avoid detection by traditional security tools. Researchers note a growing trend of abusing legitimate platforms for cyber operations. An open-source tool known as CyberStrikeAI has been observed being used in real-world cyber attacks. The framework uses automation and artificial intelligence to assist attackers during intrusions. Because it's publicly available, it can be adopted quickly by threat actors. Experts warn that AI-powered tools are accelerating the evolution of cyber threats. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall, and we appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world.